Hi, today we are exploring one of Los Angeles' most fascinating destinations, the Natural History Museum of Los Angeles County. Located in the Exposition Park, this natural museum's opening hours and admission fees. With over 35 million specimens and artifacts, it's one of the largest natural and historical collections in the western United States. This iconic museum has been inspiring curiosity since 1913. As soon as you walk in, you are greeted by the stunning architecture, a beautiful blend of historic charm and modern design. But the real adventure begins inside. One of the biggest highlights here is the Dinosaur Hall. Towering skeletons of T-Rex, Triceratops, and Stegosaurus instantly transport you millions of years back in time. The museum houses one of the most impressive dinosaur collections in the world, including real fossils and interactive displays that explain how these giants once ruled the earth. Watch Triceratops. One Triceratops built from 4 fossils. Now we see the long-necked dinosaurs fossil. Watch the skull of the dinosaurs. Now we watch the big bones and teeth of dinosaurs. Skin, feathers, and bristles fossils caught in the various places are displayed here. Dinosaur fossils reveal the biology, behavior, and evolution of prehistoric life, alongside insights into ancient climates and ecosystems. What caused the extinction of large dinosaurs around 65 million years ago? Nearly half of all plant and animal species, including the last of the large dinosaurs, became extinct. A giant asteroid hit the Earth at the end of the age of dinosaurs, but scientists still disagree whether this was the sole cause of the mass extinction that took place or if there were multiple causes. The stunning centerpiece of the second gallery is Tyrannosaurus Rex growth series, featuring a baby, juvenile, and sub-adult T-Rex. It's the only series of its kind in the world. Now we watch the Camptosaurus dinosaurs. It could walk upright on 2 legs as well as 4. Now we see the foot and footprints of dinosaurs found in various places of Earth. Now in front of us, Struthiomimus, a large fossil dinosaurus. What happened to dinosaurs some 65 million years ago? A great catastrophe wiped out nearly half of the life on Earth. Now we watch the skeletons of coelophysis that live in groups in North America. These dinosaurs drowned in an ancient catastrophe. Now we watch the bird-like dinosaurs. Many lines of evidence indicate that birds are living dinosaurs. Now we watch the eggs of dinosaurs and we can touch them also. Now we watch the mammoths and Frick's mountain deer. See the woolly mammoths and the mummies of the polar bear. Whether you are a nature lover, a science enthusiast, or just curious, the Natural History Museum of Los Angeles County is a must-visit destination. Thank you for watching. See you in the next interesting topic.